By now you must have already realized I do most of my travel solo, and some people ask me why do I travel alone? So I had to make this video for you all. The answer is very simple. I love my own company and I enjoy being myself. I know many of you not gonna agree about it, but these are the people who have never traveled alone. Am I correct? Don't take me wrong. I'm not saying that you should not be traveling with your friends and family. All I'm saying is in real life, we all are very busy. It's not possible to travel every time with your friends. But if you are passionate about the traveling, that's when you travel solo. Do you feel lonely when you're traveling alone? Definitely yes. Do you feel excited to travel alone? 100% yes. Do you also feel scared to travel alone? That is absolutely true. I believe that kind of excitement and that kind of challenges breaks your comfort zone constantly and then makes your limit higher and higher, and that's what I love about life. When I'm traveling alone, my priority is to explore the places. My priority is to discover more. And also when I'm traveling with the friends, your time is divided. This advantage for a friend as well, especially like when I'm making video like this, I am taking their time to make videos, which is a bit annoying for them because it's not their passion. So yeah, there's two different ways of traveling. For me, solo is the best options I could find. Solo is something I enjoy the most. It's more fun for me. I'm making video like this. For me, everything I see is like solo traveling is the best option for me. I don't like to spend too much money on hotel. I don't like to spend too much money in food, buying stuff. I really prefer to travel cheap so that I could see a lot more places. So do I prefer to travel with the friends? Definitely 100%. I love to. And do I prefer to travel with the family? 100%. Absolutely. Who doesn't like to travel with the family? But when it comes to my creativity, when it comes to my passions, it goes beyond traveling with friends and family. That's the reason why I travel solo. You might think traveling solo is kind of depressed and kind of lonely. You should not judge on something you never experienced. I think you can have more fun with yourself than with your friends, and that's only possible once you know how to travel alone, how to travel, how to go anywhere by yourself. You find lots of people, to be honest, lots of people, but you could understand if you are the guy or girl who has confidence to talk to the people, definitely you are able to find so many people and you are able to engage with so many people and you can make new friends. You can hang out with them as if you know them for years, and that's absolutely fun. Fun for me. Break your comfort zone constantly. To be honest, there are so many reasons why I prefer to travel alone. I hope that was enough reasons for you to travel alone, and you will not wait for your friends to travel your next favorite destinations. Please don't forget to subscribe and tell me in comments below why do you like or don't like traveling alone. And this is me walking alone in this lonely street of Faro. This is peaceful. Can hear the birds.